Hi everyone and welcome to another video. So today's video is going to be a B&M haul, as you can see by the title of the video. And I came out with this bag. It is extremely heavy and very full. So I'm going to show you what I bought from the brand new B&M that's just opened in Sheldon in Birmingham. Today is the first day that it opened, and because Elisa started nursery today, I was like, why not go when she's in nursery? So I went. I spent £22.99, which is good because I left my card at home, so if I spent over 30 I wouldn't have been able to pay. The first things that I got were these baskets, well, these tubs type things, like storage, and I'm thinking of doing something with this in my kitchen, in the cupboards or something, putting them like this, or I'm not sure yet. I've been buying a lot of storage recently, so those, I don't know what I'm going to do with them, we'll see. Next I picked up 4 of these jars. These are glass jars with clip lid, homemade with love. Okay, so £1 for these each, and they're like the clip ones like that, and they're nice and big. Like some of them that you get with the clip on are not that big, and I want to put like my spices in them, like the spices that I don't use all the time but I always have, so I want to organize those. I'm going to be doing some organization videos. If you carry on watching my channel, subscribe so that you don't miss them, but hopefully these are going to be really helpful in the kitchen. Next I picked up this candle, and if you watched my vlog with the Home Bargains haul in it, I got this but in vanilla, and I found it in this scent. This is my favorite, one of my favorite ones. I like the red one as well, and this one. This is the fresh scent, and it smells so good. Like, these candles are just amazing. I love them. And then this is very random, but I picked up a book. I love these It's Not My books, and this one is Not My Baby, His Hat Is Too Soft, and then the end page is a mirror, which I love. So cute. Isa is gonna love this. And then I picked up some little hair things for Elisa because she started nursery and her uniform is green. These are really cute. I can't wait to put these in her hair. And they're just little bubbles with these ribbons coming off them. How cute is that? I love it. And then this has just got some clips and some hairbands with it as well. So these are £1 each. And then I picked up some food things. So I got some Milky Bars. I got some, what are these? Milkshake party ring type things. And they are strawberry and banana flavour biscuits. So yeah, they come in a few of these packets. They're like little packets, perfect for snacks when the kids are being good. And then I also picked up some little bars of chocolate, 6 in a pack for £1. Those were, I think those were £1 each, all of those snacks. And then I got some of my hubby's favourite biscuits, Bourbons, so those ones, the McVitie's ones, he likes those. And then I picked up some shower gel. This is the Right Guard Magic Oil one. It's pink jasmine scent. It smells nice. I've got a shower gel at the moment and I hate the smell of it, but it's the only one I've got, so I have had to use it. So I bought this one and it smells delicious. I also picked up some boring bleach, 39p that was. And then I picked up this. I normally use the Fairy Platinum one, like the silver bottle, and I just thought I would try the elbow grease one because elbow grease, the spray is so good. I love it, and I just thought I'd try this and see what this is like. And it's a massive bottle, so yeah, we'll see how it is. And that, my bag is empty. Like, it felt like a lot, but it doesn't look like a lot. But anyway, that is everything that I got. Doesn't seem like a lot now. I always say that at the end of every haul, but that is everything that I picked up this time around. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!